Hey folks, wanted to take a quick look at how you can make a Star Wars style intro in Final Cut Pro. So here we are, it's scrolling the intro to the great Japanese TV series Monkey. Okay, so to do this, what we can simply do is go over to the top left and we can find, okay, we've got our assets here, but if you go to where it says T, okay, a little T there, okay, this is our selection of generic titles, the kind of preset titles that come with Final Cut Pro. And here is one called Far Far Away. So let's just drop that in. Okay, let's drop that in. As you can see, it comes just with, it's quite fast. Okay, and it's just got some random text. Okay, so to fix this, to put our own text in, I'm going to open up top right the inspector menu here. Okay, and what we can see, if we click on this little one with a little paragraph there, okay, there's my text. I can type text in, or I've already got, okay, let me just do a copy paste. I'll paste that text in. Alright, now here I can change the alignment. So to get the Star Wars style, I'll probably pick the one with justify last center there. There we go. And I can do things like I can change the, I can change the justification around. I can change the font size, all this kind of stuff. I can change the font. So I can play about with all that. Alright, so I've got my text. Okay, but it's obviously a little too fast. And if I just drag this out longer, it's still the same speed and just got lots of space at the end. So what I can do is I can go into the settings here, okay, for text, and where it says speed control, I'm going to switch it to automatic. Alright, and now I can speed this up or slow it down simply by making this clip longer or shorter. Make it shorter, the text is going to be faster. Okay, make it faster, drag it in. Make it slower, drag it out. Okay, and obviously you can change the font. You can have any font that's on your system. And there we go, just pick a random font. There we go, for Monkey. And if you want to change the colour, you can do that here. And there's just, so that's your Star Wars style text. Nice and simple, all found with this Far Far Away preset in the title generator. Okay, so thanks for watching, bye.